Student property attracts several £billion worth of investment in 2017. During 2017, there were many student property developments launched, with a total of just over £6 billion invested in the fastest growing subsector of the UK property market. A little more than 4,500 dedicated student property projects were developed and constructed during 2016. We are noting that inward investment of the purpose-built student property sector is now at a 5-year high, with plenty more room for growth. With a 26 year-on-year uplift in comparison to 2016, the student market makes up a big portion of new property developments here in the UK. It is worth mentioning that in the first quarter of 2017, there were exactly 2,117 student accommodation units commissioned. Developers are launching such projects because there is a huge and significant demand from the UK and overseas investors. More students than ever are attending universities, and demand for high-end luxury student accommodation is sky high. Investors also have an appetite for this type of investment, and the demand is expected to increase throughout 2017 and well into 2018. Ever since we had the removal on the cap that was put on the number of students able to attend universities, we've seen a jump in the number of student bedrooms being commissioned. We're seeing universities acting in a proactive manner to increase the number of bedrooms to meet their increased number of enrolments in years to come. And of course, property developers are also realizing that with investors keen to invest in the sector, the rollout of new developments is a priority to keep up with the higher demands. Purpose-built student accommodation has always been an attractive proposition for international investors aiming to make a solid return in the United Kingdom market. Just last week, we've seen the arrival of Singapore's Temasek with the noteworthy purchase of £417 million worth of units. With the government revising their estimates on the number of expected students by 2020, an additional 200,000 more people are expected to study and therefore require accommodation. This revision is due to the change in policy towards capping university student numbers. With more than £6 billion invested in student property investments, there is little doubt that 2018 is set to be a bumper year for the hottest subsector of the UK property market. To find out more about investing in student accommodation or indeed other UK-based property investments, visit our website www.fjpinvestment.co.uk.